Hello, my name is Ryan Hartstock and I'm a paramedic for Advantage Ambulance. Well, today we're going to be talking about oxygen replacement on an O2 regulator that's going to be found on your gurney. Okay, to change the O2 regulator, first we have to recognize that it is actually needs to be replaced. So we're going to go look over, and if you see it in the red or close to there, that means it has 500 or less PSI in it. We want to make sure we want to turn it off. We want to take the T-bar, the tightening grip right here, the T-bar. We want to turn it to the left to loosen it. All right, and go ahead and take off the regulator and go ahead and secure the empty O2 bottle so it doesn't come flying out at you. Then you want to get the newer O2 bottle. Okay, the newer O2 bottles are going to be wrapped. They'll have like a plastic a white piece of tape, or they'll have some sort of cover on that indicating that it is full. So you want to find the area where that looks like this, that has the 3 holes in it. Okay, that's where the tightening bar goes into, and these two, that's where these 2 little bevels go into, just to make sure there's a good seal on it. So you want to slide it over the top like that, line up the holes, and just tighten, 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 tighten. Not too tight, but just enough to have a good seal. Alright, and you're going to go ahead and turn it on, and you'll see the arrow point to 2000 PSI. That's how you know you have a good fresh bottle. So if you repeat those steps and you know you did it correctly, and you hear like a gushing air out of here, not to worry, that means your O-ring is bad and you need to replace it. So you need to repeat the steps in reverse order, turn it off, undo your the regulator, take it off, look inside, and you're going to need to take off the O-ring right there, and you're going to need to go ahead and get another one and go ahead and put it on. Just put it back same way you got it, just put it back on right there. Make sure it's nice and flush. Okay, then just go ahead and repeat the steps. Put it flush on, make sure the nipples are in, and go ahead and tighten. And there you go, and that's how you change the O2 bottle.